how to create a Douyin account. So if you want to create a Douyin account, which is a Chinese TikTok account, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. You can do this from your Android or your PC as well. So first you need to open up the website, which is douyin.com. You need to just simply search for Douyin and you will have douyin.com. Once you click on that, it will take you to this kind of interface. You can scan to log in, or you can also use your phone number in order to log into your Douyin account. But if you don't have an account and if you want to create an account, then what you need to do is just simply go with your country code, enter your phone number, go with send code, which will be on the right side, and you may have received a code to your phone number. So you just need to simply enter that phone number, enter that code right here. Once you've entered your code, you need to click on login and you'll be logged into your account, or you've created your account. So that's simply how you can create a Douyin account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.